leaders, and it's how we do things, right? And the other thing is what we do. What we do. 65.
Good answer.
Okay, so when we are selling accessories, we need to have a minimum of 65 accessories per opportunity. And we need to also focus on those high margin accessories. That would be cases, protection, power, chargers, and premium auto. Yeah, and to bring it on home. Is that what MPP?
Yeah, you know me.
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 Woo! 50% on MPP.
We got ads, we got churn, and we got tactics.
Yeah.
1,000 points, baby. You gotta make sure you get that off. And we're gonna do it loud. So all your rights on three. 1, 2, 3.
Science!
Sweet.